Hey, how's it going guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I showed you the step-by-step on how you can remove the original toolbox from your CRF300L. Let's get started. We're going to start by removing the seat, so you need a 6mm hex key. Now maybe it will look a little bit different on your motorcycle, but it's the same screw. The only difference in here is that I have the rear rack, but it will be the same on your motorcycle. So you can see in here that you have a flanged spacer. So you just pull the spacer out, and you do that on both sides. With the flanged spacers out on both sides, you're going to lift the back and then push the seat towards the back like this. Now remove this screw using a 5mm hex key. Now looking from the top and left side of the motorcycle, there's a plastic pin you have to push right in the center of it. And then once you push it in, you're able to remove it. To remove the side panel, you're going to pull towards you, and then you can disconnect the front. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove this screw. Now remove this screw, also with a Phillips head screwdriver. So now here carefully, you're just going to pull a little bit, don't need too much force, and you're going to see that inside there is another Phillips head screw. Here I'm using a magnet just to fish the screw. Here it is. The last screw you cannot access from this side, you have to go from the bottom. So the screw is approximately in here. I recommend it to come with your hand. Just try to feel it. So I'm unscrewing it now. So here you can see where the screw is. And if you access from the bottom, see, it's right in this corner in here. Now you might be asking, why would I want to remove this? One of the reasons is some people just don't like the toolbox. Actually, I do like the toolbox, but I don't like the size of it. So I'm going to upgrade to this waterproof, dust-proof toolbox, which does not require a key. If you want to do the same upgrade, just check the next video that is here on the screen. Bye-bye.